From seating to all to sleeping for all with the press of a button, you are going to love the Murphy bed in the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan, the Siesta 24 MB.
From floor to ceiling, this is an incredible floor plan. Take a look around, then we'll dive into the goodies. Ready? Here we go. Checking out your seating options. The 24 MB comes with this booth dinette with flip-up footrests. Great for kicking back and watching the TV with Blu-ray player or dining with the perfect music from the Bluetooth Coach radio system. In the back, this comfy couch, perfect for lounging. Now we know the dinette quickly converts into an excellent place to spend the night, but get a load of this. Turn the key, press the button, look at that, instant queen-size bed. You gotta love it. And when you need room for one more, the Siesta also has the over-the-cab bunk. The curbside kitchen features a large single-bowl sink, roomy countertops, a dual-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and double-door fridge. In the bathroom, a stainless steel sink surrounded by solid surface countertops, plenty of cabinets and drawers, a shower with glass door and skylight, and the Siphon 360 ensures a fresh-smelling Siesta every time. In the Siesta, you'll find the app-enabled Multiplex wiring system. Take control from either the full-color touchscreen or your phone or tablet. Adjust your climate, dim the lights, put out your slides, monitor your power, tank levels, and set your auto-gen start with the touch of a button. If you want the ultimate Siesta experience, the available Summit Package equips your 24 MB with great features on the outside such as full body paint and great tech to keep you connected and safe such as the Mobileye Lane Assist to make sure your drive is incident-free. You have an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment center with side view camera system. It features RV navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, a media card reader, Sirius XM tuner and antenna, all perfectly paired to the JBL sound system with subwoofer. The WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot Wi-Fi extender provides you with a safe, secure internet connection on your own network, and a 100-watt solar charging system with power controller keeps your Siesta at peak power. Outside, your 24 MB is waiting for you to sit under the armless awning and catch a favorite movie on the TV with Bluetooth soundbar. Or serve up grilled favorites with the exterior propane connection. Riding on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, offering 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, the Siesta is easy to drive and always up for an adventure. The question is, are you? This is the Siesta 24 MB. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.